Hey guys, welcome to How To channel, and in today's video we'll learn how you can add motion blur in Capcut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, open up your Capcut and simply create a new project. After that, import the footage on which you want to apply the motion blur and drag and drop on the timeline. You can also make some necessary adjustments if you want. And once you are done with that, just go over to the Effects tab, select Video Effects, and let it load up completely. Now just expand the menu and select Lens. Here you can see we have a motion blur effect, so simply download it. After that, just simply drag and add it above your footage. You can control this trend from the right side menu if you want. And after that, just simply export the video and you are done. This is basically how you can add motion blur to your videos in Capcut. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.